everyone, how are you all? Hope everyone is safe. So today we are going to do the activity related parts of a plant. So for this activity we need one orange color A4 sheet paper. See, like this orange color A4 sheet paper, and one brown color A4 sheet paper piece we need for this. Um, to make for this frame we need to cut four paper strips like this. Around these four sides we need to stick. I will show you that one also, and a little bit fevicol, and with garlic peel. See, with garlic peel we are going to floss, and with onion peel we are going to uh, make leaves for this activity. And small natural tree stem I took like this, and we are going to stick on this orange color paper. I'll show you how to stick also. And this tape also we need for this, little bit fevicol also we need. And I took like this small leafy vegetable roots I took for this. Down part of these roots will be there no, that I'm going to show you with this. Okay, and scissor also we need for this. So first we are going to take this natural stem, and we are going to stick on this brown color paper like this dear. Okay, see, already I took these tape pieces like this. We are going to stick. Yeah, I can stick with fevicol also, but that will take little bit time. That's what I am sticking here like this. Properly we need to stick like this. Now what to do is, for soil no, we are taking little bit fevicol for this brown color A4 sheet paper. We need to cut like this, that's it. And one side we are going to take fevicol, and we need to stick like this dear. And down part of these roots also we need to show no. So little bit fevicol down part of this soil no, this brown color sheet A4 sheet paper piece, we are going to stick the roots like this dear. Just we are taking little bit fevicol, and we are going to stick these natural vegetable roots. Okay, very easy. Definitely will be surprised with this activity. Try to do. See, down part of this natural these roots I stick with fevicol like this. Now what to do is, we are going to we need to cut leaves. This onion peel no, we need to cut proper leaf, like we need to cut like this dear. Now already I have done for you like this. Little bit fevicol one side we are going to take, and we are going to stick like leaves here right there. Okay, leaves we are sticking here. See, like this properly leaves we are going to stick. Now we are going to stick this flower with flowers with this garlic peel. Okay, yes everyone. And this garlic peel also, like we are making here like flower, like 2 to 3 flowers we are going to make. See, these you can cut extra this garlic peel, and we are going to apply some fevicol for one side, and we are going to paste like flowers. Okay, like this. Just we are sticking, that's it. This one proper you need to take out the extra this garlic peel and stick under like flour, that's it. And one more flour also I'm making, don't put up this here. Yes, beautiful now. Wow, very nice no. You also please try to do it home. And we are going to stick this paper strips here, these four sides we are making frame, like I will show you that one also. Yes, look at this everyone, too beautiful no. Yes, with garlic peel and this onion peel, and with natural stem and this natural roots only we have done this beautiful craft. So please try to do it home. Hope everyone is enjoyed with this beautiful craft. If you like this video, please kindly do subscribe my channel, like and share. For more notifications, please hit the bell icon. Thank you.